I'm alone today. I'm alone. I'm alone today, and I'm sad about it. Nobody's here, and I'm sad.
Nobody's here.
And I'm sad. Wait, am I being shot at? Who that? There's nobody else
Oh,
though.
skibberty toilet! God! Oh my god.
My God, you're burning.
No, wait, Purple Galaxy. Galaxy.
Let's go find his toes.
Purple
Hello guys,
Galaxy.
this is the VR fellas. What the?
Purple Galaxy.
Purple Galaxy,
Where
where
are you?
The VR fellas.
Here, come with me. Come with
You're
me.
not
Come
a
with me where
VR
nobody
fella!
can find us. Here, come up.
Oh,
wait,
yeah,
am I
I
an
did
actor
tell
now?
him about
Here,
a
come with
VR
me. Come with
fella.
me. Yeah, bro, come on. Come with me.
My charger!
Come with me so nobody can find us. Come with me so nobody can find us.
No, no
Purple
such
Galaxy. Come on.
thing. No such thing,
You guys
okay?
want to play hide and seek?
Okay,
You guys
come
wanna play
here. Come
hide
here,
and
though.
seek?
Come here.
No
You want to play
such
hide and
Galaxy, come here.
seek? Okay, you and
Come
Purple
here, Purple
Galaxy
Galaxy.
hide, and then me and Green seek you.
Okay, Purple
And if we
Galaxy.
find
Come
you,
with me.
you
Purple
die.
Galaxy, come. Follow me. Follow me. We're
Did
gonna
I
hide.
hear
Cosmic.
death? Cosmic, if we find you, you die.
Okay.
Did I hear death involved?
Yes, death is involved in
My
it.
favorite specialty.
I'm recording right now. Anyways, let me tell you about the new
Okay, you wanna
the
ready?
VR fella switch. So it goes to be actually cool to these weirdos.
Oh shoot, I can't even. Wait, I gotta find. Come on. Where is it? That place.
Wait, we're almost ready. Wait, I'll tell you.
Where's that place where you and Tyler hid? Then you guys did that thing.
Oh god, Oogie boy, stinky guy. I know.
Yo, bro,
I found a good hiding spot. Come.
No, come here.
Where?
Wait, we're almost ready. Where are you?
Come on.
Oh, you're right there. Okay.
Get in, get in.
Come on.
They can see us.
Okay, right here.
Lay down,
Come right
lay
here. This is
down.
as deep as we can go. Right here is as
What'd you
deep as
say?
we can go.
Lay down.
We're ready.
Okay. Where do you want to check first? Forest, mines, or that? Other place.
Hang on.
And no using the watch. No using the watch.
We're gonna go
No
this way.
using the
We're gonna
watch.
go this way.
Check outside the map, like over here.
Yeah. But don't go
Dang
in
it,
any of
bro.
the corners because you can get stuck.
You said don't check any of the corners or you'll get stuck.
Don't check in the corners because you can get stuck.
Wait.
And you cannot leave. If you check in that corner right there, you cannot leave. Oh my god. I think he died.
Okay, go.
Did you die? I'm still alive.
Come with me. Come with me.
Come find me, guys.
No, we're not going in.
I'm not dead.
You are the hiding still.
Come get me.
Hiding.
Fight me. Find me.
Okay, I'm not farting.
I'm leaving.
Come on.
Fight.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Carter, where are
I can't tell you. You died.
you? Want to go find us to go find you yet? Friendly hammer.
Come here.
You're hider.
I'm not dead yet. What about me? What am I gonna do?
you're gonna hide with me, but where are you?
I won. Did I win?
My headset battery is low.
Okay, Purple Galaxy.
What?
Okay, come on. We gotta hide. Everybody go in there. Everybody go in there. Except for me and Carter. Okay, Carter. Oh, shoot. Here,
In
come
here?
with me. Yeah, go in there and don't look.
Okay, we have to
Send me him
find
ahead.
Carter, bro.
I'm just
Stop
looking
your
up.
dad.
Buy me one.
Go. Where you at?
Wait,
Where's the other guy?
you're not hiding it.
No.
Okay, come.
Where's the other guy?
Follow me.
He's up there.
Other guy, other blue guy, come back.
Come.
I'm on the ceiling.
Should we,
You have to go inside of the place where,
where should we go?
blah, blah, blah. I mean, where you go to buy your costume. No, I'm just gonna sit here because I can't even see anything. I'm just looking up.
Where? Yo, bro, I don't have a grapple.
Where do you turn around, green guy?
Yo, bro, I have an idea. Here, tell me if this is really noticeable. Tell me if you can really see me.
I can see you.
No, wait.
They're gonna.
Okay, tell
come
me.
in. I can see you. Don't go.
Okay.
I got a good idea. Follow me.
Oh my god, ogre. Yo, bro, I don't have a grapple.
That's right. Okay, follow me.
Are you ready yet?
No, we're not ready
No,
yet.
nope.
Nah, not the maze.
I like
It's perfect. They won't find us because it's a maze. And I'll just kill it Armstrong.
I don't have any ammo. You know what? I know a good. Oh, it's dark. Let's just be here. Okay, come get us. We're ready. Oh no! We're not ready. Tell them we're not ready.
One of us died.
Not ready.
Yada. You're not the king. As a sign writer. No! Oh my god.
I'm on my way, Card. On me. We are not ready yet if you're coming to get us.
Come on.
Okay, we're ready.
No, over here.
My other teammate.
Oh.
What?
My teammate's dead.
I found a hide under here. Okay, then we're gonna have to give you a hint because we're in forest, so it'll be hard to find us. That's one hint you get because you're no teammate. Next round you'll get 2 teammates because that's not fair because you won't know where we were.
I'm sorry, but I'm kidding. I'm kidding!
Are you on the forest?
We're at the forest.
We're somewhere in the forest in a different map.
Yeah, we're in the forest, but in a different map.
Very.
Ready or not? Here I come.
You can't see really good, but you can still see.
Can I use a tablet?
No, that's
No.
cheating.
No.
Because you can just eject our locations. I feel like he's using a tablet. I just know it. Wait, we can use the tablet. Gosh.
I'm your friend.
Is that Tyler?
Tyler, leave.
Tyler, I don't want to be the Cheeks Club, please.
Yo, this is family friendly.
Tyler, is this you?
Oh my god, I see him.
I felt like you were in mines for some reason. I just had this weird feeling.
Okay, then go to mine and get lost, because we're not in mine.
We're somewhere in forest, though.
Trust. Here, I'll shoot a gunshot.
Ready, set, gunshot now. I just joined, and for some reason I have a tablet.
Hello.
I bought it, and I'm seeing where everybody is.
Yeah, I'm just gonna kill myself too.
Okay.
I'm just gonna kill myself too.
Well, you won.
I actually have a tablet.
Where's
I just
Tyler?
joined my friend. I just joined my friend, and he told me that they were doing hide and seek. So I just got a tablet to see
Yeah.
where you guys
Yo,
were.
is Tyler on? Is Tyler on? Is Tyler on?
No, I'm not inviting him.
Who?
No one.
Tyler.
Tyler's weird.
Okay, me and Purple Galaxy have a
Go
finder.
found.
You can come out of mines now.
You guys are the hiders. We're gonna seek, okay?
No, but it was a 2v1. That would be a 2v2, but
No, you're gonna hide
Yes.
with Green, and we're gonna find.
Where
Yeah,
were
bro,
you
can
guys
you-
anyway?
We were
Can you
in
get me-
Armstrong Cave, but I died.
Ah,
What
that's where
the-
one of you died. You went to planetarium really fast, I guess.
Yeah, I'm built different. Y'all can take my guns if you want.
I want them.
Hey, bro, can you give me a golden gun, Purple Galaxy?
Trust me, bro. I do not trust you with no gun. Wait, bro. I know that's wrong. No using your watches, by the way. No watches.
Okay.
We have a tablet so we
Okay,
can see
okay.
where you are. We have a tablet so we can see where you are.
Okay, yeah, that does seem fair. You guys are allowed to use a tablet.
Bro, I'm not shrinking for some reason.
Okay, everybody
I
go
literally
hide.
have,
Go
I have
hide.
no eyes, so
Go hide,
I'll
go
both
hide,
of
go
them.
hide, go hide, go
Close,
hide, go
get
hide.
into the corner right here. Right
Go
here.
hide. Everybody go hide. Go
I
hide.
know.
Go hide.
Okay.
I know you're gonna kill your art right now.
Black.
I will not poster. I don't know why,
Yeah, bro, I'm
but
reading
even though I'm
ammo.
a boy, I still play Cookie Run Kingdom. Am I
Reading
weird
ammo.
for that?
Nah.
I mean, it is kind of going. Wait, why would I say that on video? God!
Up here. Look up here.
Hopefully I
Right
don't
here.
put them.
Oh.
Say
It's station
Weddy,
up.
and when Weddy.
Okay,
Give me
use
Hold up.
Should we use a tablet or watch it?
We can't see. That's cheating.
We ready? Yeah, we
Give my
ready.
back.
No, I'll follow you.
Ready or not?
Here we come.
Ready or not, we're gonna play. I wanna use my own, I have just a way. Ready or not, you're gonna sing. I wanna use my.
Yeah, bro, I have just.
I have
Okay, boy!
Where? He's not right there.
He is
Are you shooting him?
He's invincible. Come on.
Ready or not? Here we go.
Ready or not, we're gonna touch. Okay,
Can you
boy!
guys see us on your map? Yeah. Yeah.
Are we getting closer? I think I know where he is. Wait, I need to think.
Oh my god.
Carter, where are you?
That's scary to me.
Can I have ammo?
Okay.
think
I
they're
still
in
have more
here.
ammo. Yeah, I can.
I think they're in here because, like, I saw Armstrong with like this.
Here's your first clue. Dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Wait, the dino is in here. Second, I mean.
Dinosaur. There's everyone.
Can you? Are we close?
Where are you?
Armstrong, okay, chicken. Run!
Are you your second hit?
What? What is our second hit? What is our second hit?
I died, Carter. I died. I'm coming back.
Okay.
Hi, William. Blake. Tyler's here.
Tyler!
We're up.
Wait, how did he join me? My joins are off.
Who joined? Tyler's here.
Tyler, please leave and don't be weird. Don't be weird. I'm actually recording and I'm posting this. This is the only time. Please.
Yeah, I'm a company that owns you. And his name is William Briggs. Said that. I don't know why she joined, but it's black with a glowing eyes with like a elf, I think. So I'm sorry. Okay.
Can you leave?
Hey Carter, where are you? Okay, right there. I have a... Guys, give me a hint. Give me a hint. Give me 2 hints.
Check the ship.
Wait, dinosaur. Dinosaur. Hunt the dinosaur. I'm not...
Hunting dinosaur ship.
Wait, is it okay if we hide in different?
Hunting dinosaur ship. Yeah, you can hide in different places. I think I know where they are.
Check the ship area. Where do you think they are?
They're in the ship, obviously. I can hear them.
Where are you guys?
Is someone in the attic?
I'll give you a hint. I can see you on my right. Guys, wait for me at the vent access. Someone died.
No, we're not going there. We're playing hide and seek for video.
I know. We're inside of a ship. A sunken one. Can you bring a bag with a camera in it? How scary is this?
Skibidi toilet at 5 at 3 a.m. be like,
Do you guys give up?
No. I never give up.
Purple is really close.
Can you see us on your? It's purple. Never mind, purple. Blue. Blue.
Blue? Who's that blue guy? I'm dying to meet him. Yo!
I can hear them.
What?
Found you.
Hey,
No, you don't.
Carter, I think I know where they are. Oh, black. Right.
My feet.
Who's closer, right?
Found someone! What? I saw you.
Oh, I know where you guys are. Ready or not?
Why is this little red guy?
Ah! Where am I? You're like literally right above. Like are you on top of the ship or underwater?
Fuck
We're
you.
underwater.
dunk.
It's a part of a hide and seek.
Yo, I think I can hear him.
I killed one guy.
Wait, that wasn't our teammate. That
Please
wasn't our
stop.
teammate.
I'll give you a hint. We're underwater. Oh,
Guys, can you catch me?
Ling dong goody, what that? Ling dong goo.
Hey.
He's in here. Where? Where? I knew he was right behind me. I knew he was right behind me.
Yeah.
You revive me! Revive me!
no, a purple. Oh,
Hey, Blue, you're never gonna know, Blue.
That's called Pope Galkimon killed me for no reason.
It's called a hide and seek. You're not supposed to be out, okay?
What's up, Lean?
I was not playing.
Nah, you guys have to get out. You're not a part of the hide and seek.
I'm gonna say I'm right next to Black.
I have this
when
on
you
recording,
tried to
so
eliminate
get out.
Black, I was right next.
What?
In
Yeah,
Blue,
you're
you
not
were
a part
right
of
next
the
to me
hide
for
and
like a
seek.
half a second when you
Okay,
like went down.
I was McLean's friend. That's all. I
They
was
never
just
killed me.
going to join him because there's no one else.
Well, that's it. All I'm taking. You know what? Oh, fuck.
I'm done.
Are you still good?
Stop! You're not supposed to kill me! You have to be a part of the hide and seek to kill me. Stop trying to kill me! Stop!
Why did you kill me that time?
Because I thought you were part of the hide and seek.
Toss the fine. That's
You're doing the hide and seek, you know, so I had to kill you.
Yo, by the way, I'm not doing the massive thing. I'm underwater, underneath, and Blue is.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, my VR. But hopefully you have fun with the new VR, fellas. They're not going to stay. Sorry for that. Will you like it next? I will.